Okay.
My holster rein. It's very heavy in the holster. Maybe you have to show me something smaller. Let me see, is that a snub nose? Oh, actually, that's a regular one, right?
Yeah.
Are you ready for my next adventure? I'm going to take you to Monument Valley. I went there with my sister. I always dreamed of going there, and after watching Thelma and Louise, I'm like, I'm gonna go out there and explore that region. It's Thelma and Louise im Hotel. We are now right out of Kayenta. You can see it's already starting to look good. And wow, stop! There's souvenirs. The first Navajo stand that sells jewelry. We were very excited and of course got some nice items. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Thank you. Have a safe trip.
Here's a Christmas ornament.
Stay calm. Oh, look at the small.
No, come on, Mama. So we drove a little bit into Monument Valley. You can take tours, but we thought it would be better just to start driving. And we didn't do the whole tour. We drove until you enter a zone where you can't turn back because it's a one-way street. And it was enough because you have a great view from the visitor center. Look at this view. This is a camping place. There's the car, our camping place right there. It's called Arrowhead Camping Place. Always, we were gonna make some burritos. Always onions.